Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to edit a PDF file. PDF files are a common format for sharing documents, but sometimes you may need to make changes to them. In this video, we'll show you some easy ways to edit a PDF file, whether you need to add text, images, or make other changes. We will use a free online tool to edit a PDF file. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open your web browser. Type sejda.com/PDF-editor in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Upload PDF File button. Select the PDF file from the saved location of your computer and click on the Open button. This will load your PDF file in the online PDF editor. Click on the text menu at the top and click somewhere in the empty space on your PDF file. Start typing your text, and once completed, click on the B icon to bold the text. Click on the italic icon and also can change the font size. Click on the Font drop-down to change the font style of your text. Click on the color and select any text color from the color palette. You can also create a hyperlink on a text by clicking on the Create a Link icon. Here, you can enter the external URL and email address, or can link to a phone number. You can also add an image in your PDF file. To do so, click on the Images menu button at the top. Now, click on the New Image button. Select an image from your PC and click on the Open button. Place the image where you want to keep it, and you can also resize it. If you want to add your signature in a PDF file, then click on the Sign button. You can also create a shape in your PDF file. Click on the Shapes menu and select any shape from the available list. Draw the shape in an empty space. Click the Shape Color Fill icon and select any color to fill the color in a shape. Explore more of the available tools on Sejda to enhance the presentation of your PDF file. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.